In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly calendar view in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused weekly layout that makes it easy to plan your time and see what's coming up at a glance. Start by adding a calendar to your page. In any Notion page, type /, then the word calendar, and select calendar view from the options that appear. This creates a calendar database right on your page. If you already have a calendar elsewhere, you can choose to link to that existing database instead, so you are looking at the same data from a new place. Creating a new calendar is great for a fresh start, while linking is ideal if you want multiple views of the same schedule. Next, switch the calendar from a monthly grid to a weekly view. Look for the three-dot menu icon next to the blue New button at the top of your database. Click it. Select Layout and change the setting from month to week. Notion often defaults to month, so this quick adjustment focuses your view on the current week with a clear, timeline-style layout. That's perfect for planning your days. To make the most of your screen space, set the page to full width. Open the Page menu in the top right corner of your Notion window and choose Full Width. This widens the calendar, giving you more room for each day's column and making longer event titles or time blocks easier to read. Now, let's customize how you work in the weekly view. You can drag and drop items between days to reschedule on the fly. If something moves from Wednesday to Friday, just click and drag the card to the new day. To add a new event, click directly on a time slot within the day you want. Give it a clear title, set the start and end times, and you are set. This makes it simple to block time for meetings, focus work, or personal tasks. To surface the most important details at a glance, use Property Visibility. Open the same three-dot menu for your database. Choose Properties and toggle on the fields you want to appear right on each card. For example, show tags to group events by category or display a checkbox property if you like marking sessions as done. Keeping only the essentials visible helps reduce clutter and keeps your week readable. That's it. You've created a weekly calendar view in Notion, widened it for clarity, and tailored the cards so the key information is front and center. Thanks for watching.